Good afternoon. I'm going to show you real quickly the things that we've been going over here in class. First is we've been doing the standard algorithm, and what we've been doing is we've been using a grid here, and I'm going to show you how this works. So first of all, the students are going, okay, I'm going to go 6 times 57, and they're going to write that off to the side there. And then what they're going to realize is, okay, 6 times 7 is 42. Carry the 4. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 4 is 34. There's no place to carry the 3, so I'm going to put it right there. Then for my next one, I'm going to go 40 times 57. Well, that is 0 right there shows me that I have to put a 0 right there. Now I can go ahead and go 4 times 7 and 4 times 5. So 4 times 7 is 28. I'm going to go ahead and carry the 2. And 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22, but there's no place to carry the 2, so I'm going to put it there. So as you can see, it helps the students line up and place value, and it keeps it nice and neat. That's what we're focused on here, because many of the mistakes that are made is whenever they don't match, the place values don't match. So maybe the tens is where the hundreds needs to be and things like that. So this is a nice orderly way for the students to do that. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6, and 2 plus 0 is 2. Our answer is 2,622. Another thing that we're working on too is we have been estimating. So we're going to make 57, we're going to turn that into 60, and we're going to turn 46 into 50. And the students can go, okay, I can go 6 times 5, which is 30, and then add 2 zeros. I know that my product needs to be somewhere close to 3,000. 2,622 works. So that's just a very quick overview of what we've been doing this week. Next week, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing multiplication, or I'm sorry, not multiplication, division. So we're going to have a problem that looks like this. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to divide 4,406 divided by 8. Now, if you remember the last time, what we did is we did the hangman and we figured out, okay, how many times does 8 go in there and things like that. We're going to show a new method that's really going to help the students transfer to the regular algorithm. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw a box here. And there you can see the box. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 4, 4, 0, 6, and we're going to put the 8 out here outside the box, and then I'm just going to draw some lines down here. Now what I want to do is, how many times does 8 go into 4? Well, it goes in there 0 times. So then what I want to do is 0 times 8 is 0, and I subtract 4 minus 0, which is 4. Then what I do is I bring up the 4 and I put it right in front. So now it's 44. How many times does 8 go into 44? Well, students are going to say 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Then they subtract 44 from 40, which is 4. And then they're going to bring this up, and that makes that 40. So 8 times what number equals 40? They're going to say 5. 5 times 8 equals 40. They're going to subtract 40 minus 40, which equals 0. They're going to bring the 0 right up here in front of the 6. How many times does 8 go into 6? It goes in there 0. 0 times 8 is 0. Minus that, 6 minus 0 is 6. So my remainder is 6. So what we can do is we can go 6 over 8, or 6/8. One thing that's nice about this is whenever we start to get into decimals, the students can put a decimal right here and just add on to the box and add a 0. It's very concise, very easy, and they can follow these steps, and it leads right into the algorithm. So we're going to show this to students, and the students have done this in the past with great success. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.